This is Lucas.
Hi, it's Mary.
And welcome for our new episode. So today we decided to show you Psah Orussay, which is like one of the biggest markets in Phnom Penh. It's a crazy market where you can buy anything. So right behind us you can buy clothes, but you can buy literally like whatever you want: watches, jewelry, food, fruits, vegetables. Really like anything, and this market is so big that you can get lost easily. Actually, we put the motorbike outside, but we're not sure where, so it's gonna be for us as well a challenge to try to find the motorbike when we go out. But yeah, we wanted to show you this market because it's a very nice market inside Phnom Penh. After we went to a place called Euro Park, which is interesting. It's located a little bit outside of the city. You have to cross the bridge, and that place is surprising because it's pretty. But we took like all famous landmarks from Europe and we put all of them together at the same place. And people now they can go, they walk, they have fun. And so what can you see? You can see like the Venice, the shore from Venice, where people come to take a boat. You can see the Big Ben from London, which is like a big Ben. Well, of course, it's smaller. There is not one, but two Eiffel Towers. Believe it or not, two Eiffel Towers. We also saw the opera from Sydney. And there is like a nice canal going around, and it's quite nice. A lot of fish. People can go and feed them. No, it's a very cute park. And on the back of it, they are currently building this massive. I've never seen like such a huge building, which will be
The wedding hall.
a wedding hall. So this big building that you see, it's gonna be like a full wedding hall, and people will be able to come and celebrate. I cannot even imagine the price of renting one night or one day for doing your wedding in that place, but it must be something very expensive. Yeah, and that's it. Like, I mean, it was a nice discovery in Phnom Penh because Phnom Penh, unfortunately, there is not a lot of parks and a lot of places to go out. And yeah, if we find more places, we will try to share with you. But it's true that there is a lack of green spaces in Phnom Penh in general. All right, thank you for watching, guys, and as usual, we see you in the next episode. Bye bye.